Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the earpads on your Skullcandy Crusher 1080 ANC. In today's video I'm going to show you earpads that fit several models. For a full list, you can catch it in the description below, or you will see it on the screen right now. So without talking too much, let's start the video. Okay, so as you can see, I've already replaced one of the earpads. The reason why I'm not showing you both, it's because it's the same process for both sides and the earpads are interchangeable. Okay, so I'm going to grab the other pad of our 90s black design. I will warn you, it's not impossible to install it, but it's not the most comfortable process. Skullcandy didn't make it as easy as possible, but it's not that hard. Okay, it's just a little annoying. To remove the earpad, you're simply going to pull it from its place, okay? So the way this earpad installs is it has a backside lip right here where I'm putting the finger inside, and our earpad has a backside lip as well. That backside lip goes inside this gap right here. Try to get a good look. There's a little gap between the plastic that holds the earpad and the plastic of the headphone cup. So the reason this is a little bit annoying is because the earpads have some sort of I call it like a foam base to retain the shape. And when you start pulling the earpad and trying to fit it in this gap, the foam base moves around. It's not the best design for the earpads. This is what Skullcandy made, but I'll give you the best tips to try and get through this without getting too annoyed. So, by the way, these are WC pads, our PU leather earpads. Our cooling gel earpads also fit this model, and they install the same. So one thing you want to do is you want to get at least the corner of the backside lip inside, okay? See, it's quite annoying, but okay, we got a little bit of the pad. Wow. See, even me, when I replaced literally thousands of earpads, I get frustrated by this one. Okay, we got a piece of the lip inside. Once you got a piece of the lip inside, you're gonna hold it with one finger, and then you're going to pinch the earpad, basically pinch the back of it, and follow around, putting that backside lip into the gap. You see how I'm pinching where the backside lip is? If you pinch it like that, that foam base won't move around. That is the trick. Now don't be afraid to stretch it when you pinch it and pull. The earpad will be fine, and if it's not going to be fine, you have a warranty with us and we'll refund you. And that is it. After you replaced it, just give it a little back and forth shuffle like this. A little, not too much, just to let it all go in, and it's all replaced. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you in the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.